What's up, everybody? My name is thejjordan, and I'm trying to give you a little bit of update on my patio because I showed y'all beginning part, but it's coming along. This is just another part. We still got a little bit more to do, But let me show you. We got the TV on the patio now. So now when I work out, I can come out here and talk to y'all look at the TV. I can do my music out here. We got some shades. We got the color is black and blue. The top of the ceiling is black. It's coated black, so it matches the interior of the house. Look at this. You over here knocking it. What I'm about to end up doing, I'm about to put a black door right there, lock it up, put some more security around the house, and extra security, you know what I mean? Because I don't want to have to get nobody. So also, let me put it in the corner so y'all can see something. So y'all can see something. I said, hey, if y'all like y'all room colored, hit that like. Change the color of the room. Hey, what color you like? What color you like? Over there. I said I see everybody and I see you now and I see you. I see you on the TV. And I wanna know what you doing over there. Over there. So what you doing? Oh, so what you doing? Hey, so what you doing? That I do want to know. I wanna know. So what you doing? See my colors? So the thing I want y'all to know, this is gonna be my therapy room. So it's gonna have an ice bath out here. So you get ice therapy. Gonna have the workout out here, so you can be able to work out and watch the TV while you work out. In the house, I got an indoor sauna, so you can get the sauna. Also ice therapy. We got the massage chair. We got the feet massage. We got 2 different chair massage. So I'm really gonna be working and trying to get towards it where I can actually help people out, help their body. People that I know I'm cool with, I'll bring them over here and try to help them out. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is what I have. This is my update. I will give you some more later, but I'm actually playing the TV, playing my album on YouTube. So that's what it is. So they want to change it up. I wanna know. So what you doing? Look at that.
Hey Georgia, it's time to take your natural gas rate plan and fix it. To compare it again.
I see you looking. Alright, let me stop having fun. I got other things to do. I got a couple more videos to drop. I gotta go support some other people's channels, see what they're doing, so I can be in the background, support them that way. You know what I mean? And give me something to eat. Also, update. I'm about to make me something in a slow cooker. I got a slow cooker. People like, do Joy cook? Sometimes I do. So I'm actually gonna make something in a slow cooker. I'm trying to debate if I should show what I'm cooking or not. Chrissy, peas and hair grease. Holla.